Hello guys, welcome back to the video. Sorry it's getting loud over there. Guys, I'm here hanging out with my sick and some of them I'm training. These are all mine here. Thank you for lining up. And these are the ones that are what are you doing? Okay, so I want to introduce you. That's Princess. That's Blanquita. That's Guinea. And oh my gosh, get out of here. That's Blue Blue. You guys seen him on the control in the car control video. So hi. Do you want to hold on?
Really?
Yeah. Let's see.
Can I hold it with my bare hand?
Yeah, that's okay. All right, come. Let's see. Blue, blue, behave, okay? This is blue. I train there. I'm training too. I have 4 and I'm training 2.
Wow. Yeah. So, how do you train them?
Technically, I usually put here and I put this control. So I usually put my finger and usually don't, but when I put gloves, because sometimes they say, oh, I they get tired.
So, are they all related? Or they are?
Yeah, they all related, but just
Did any of them have babies? Like
no. Well,
okay.
mine are about to have it. The house is already ready, but the mom, I guess the mom, I mean the princess, she accidentally put a hole in her house. So I guess we're gonna buy a new one, but yeah, she was working for it.
To
Yeah.
make a place for her
Yeah,
eggs.
for her eggs.
Wow.
Look, I'll bring it right now. Go. Oh,
Their eyes
look,
are
this
so
is
tiny.
yeah, this is a couple. That's
Oh,
the boy.
really?
This is the girl. You can tell by you see that she doesn't have those stripes like those black lines.
Uh-huh.
And look, this guy does. Come, Guinea. Stay there. So, and you see this? You see these? He has a lot of stripes and she doesn't.
So that's a guy, that's a
Yeah,
girl.
that's a guy. And like you see his little chest is darker.
Yeah.
It's lighter. That's the one. Yeah, no problem.
That was really cool. What's your name?
My name is Ellie and my last name is Martinez.
Have a seat.
Oh,
Nice
good
to
job.
meet you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, we're looking for the bus.
Oh, you are?
I like
Wow.
animals.
Yeah, I know. That's amazing. That's so cool that you are training them for, and that they like you so much, obviously.
Yeah,
They feel safe with you.
Yeah.
You're gentle.
Yeah, when I was camping, I bring them, but this guy was not trained yet. I was barely training and started learning about church. And so, yeah, I started, so I only took out her. Princess, come on. I only usually took out her because she was the only one that the sheep. This was the first one I had, and then this is the second.
Ah.
Yeah. There was a saying, Neuralife. turn that well. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. Now it's got down, but at least I could show you my birds. That's Guinea. So yeah, I'm just here to play with it. Oh, this is the beautifulest one in the world. I call him Chulito. Like nice and handsome. Look at him. Look at him. He loves. That's his friend. You could tell. Oh, you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys something about birds today, just in case if you're like, oh my gosh, I don't know, I cannot tell the girl and the boy. So I'll show you guys, and I'll show you. Come. So look, guys, you could tell. You see him? He has a lot of stripes, and look at her. She doesn't have that much. Oh my gosh, sorry, I zoomed in. So yeah, guys, so you could tell like this. That's the girl. Okay, look, Princess, come. I need you. And then Guinea, come, please. Guinea, no, Guinea, come. Guinea. Come on. Are you literally behaving out the camera? Chirp if you're behaving. Okay, good birdie. Oh my gosh, how can I get you out of here? Okay, yeah, Princess, go up. Oh my gosh, come on. Sorry, guys. I have a couple troubles of this guy. Chirp if you're a cool kid. Okay, you are a cool kid. All right, good birdie. Sorry, if you guys don't like animals, get out of here, because this is only for animal lovers. So come birdie. And if you guys like him, sorry, I'm so sorry, guys. It's because like I'm a friendly kid, you know, but he has army. Anyways, so yeah, this guy is not cooperating. I cannot talk. Come. Guinea, why is it taking you so long? Okay, there we go. All right. Now let me see. Okay, there you go. Sorry, I'm not using my GoPro. Now Princess, come here. Yeah, come Princess. So, guys, you can tell. Princess, come. Look, do you guys see the little black line behind him? And do you see she doesn't? So that's how you could tell. It doesn't matter which color. It just matters let's say yeah, look, this is not a couple. Look, you see, they usually, oh okay, I'm sorry, don't do that. Yeah, they're usually just friends. Oh no, wait, no, you guys are not friends, right? Oh no, these are brother and sister. So green, see, they don't fight anymore. Okay, so yeah, guys, yeah, hurry up, go, get out of here, shoo. All right, so I just wanted to tell you guys about that. Guys, I hope you had a good one, boys, and other birds, other birds over there, but I don't think I'm gonna take them out today. So yeah, they talk a lot. This is kind of like the blue and white squad, rainbow, and I guess that guy's over there. And then this is like usually the green squad. Well, I guess with him, but he's over there hanging out with his friend.